Today at the Statehouse, an emotional plea to expand mental health services in Indiana.
As Emily Longnecker explained, part of the push for this bill came from one of the most powerful women in the state of Indiana.
Yeah, the testimony on this bill was deeply personal today, including testimony from Indiana's own Lieutenant Governor Suzanne Crouch, who testified about her own family's struggles with mental health issues and substance abuse.
We know that 1 out of 5 Hoosiers struggles with mental illness or addiction. And we all know Hoosiers that have faced those challenges.
And Indiana's Lieutenant Governor is no exception. Thursday, she explained why to the Senate Appropriations Committee as they consider a bill to expand mental health services across the state.
I was raised by a mother who suffered from depression. My sister Nancy died by suicide in her early 20s. We just buried my brother, Larry, in November. He was an alcoholic. My husband's father was an alcoholic. Our daughter, Courtney, is 12 years sober and bipolar.
Crouch urged senators to vote for a bill that would provide $30 million over the next 2 years to help build out a 988 crisis hotline that launched in Indiana this past summer. By expanding the hotline, callers could connect with mobile crisis teams who could respond to someone having a mental health crisis and refer them to local crisis specialists for long-term help. The funding requested in the bill would also be used to expand the state's certified community behavioral health clinics. Right now, there are 18 that operate in 15 different counties.
This bill has the opportunity to not just change lives, but save lives.
Jody Mosier testified how such services might have saved her older brother, who grew up in Indiana, but was killed in Florida when his wife called 911 because he was suicidal.
Within 15 minutes, Adam had been shot more than 5 times. 1 week before his 40th birthday.
Personal and painful testimony about how struggles with mental illness and substance abuse impact more than just the person born with them. It's a story shared by many Hoosiers, including Indiana's second in charge, a story she hopes can help others facing the same challenges.
Hopefully, sharing my story helps other people share their stories.
And Senate Bill 1 is expected to be voted on by the Appropriations Committee next Thursday. And as you could see from that story, Indiana's Lieutenant Governor and many other Hoosiers told the committee that this bill absolutely needs to move forward for the sake of Hoosiers struggling with mental health issues and their families. At the Statehouse, Emily Longnecker, 13 News.